Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Rob's first Section 8 rental. Guys, I'm so proud of Rob. He bought this house for $85,000. It needs $6,500 in rehab work. It's a 3-bedroom. It's just about move-in ready. We have not started rehab on it yet. Come on inside. So guys, this house right here, great starter house. This is as good as it gets for a first investment into Section 8. And Rob is already looking at house number 2. So we're gonna start rehab on this house this week. Very, very excited for him. First thing we need to do is we need to fix this mini split, where when we walked in, it's the middle of summer. There's water that's pouring. It was pouring out of here. We shut the mini split off. It's dripping water. There's a huge puddle here, and the water's running all throughout the kitchen, and so we'll have to get that fixed. But off of the living room, we have our washer dryer hookups. We have everything here. We have all of the supply lines to the mini split that's outside. We have our washer dryer hookups. We got our dryer vents. Everything's in here, which is really nice, having it really centrally located. And away from the bedrooms, which is pretty nice. So we have that right here. You turn around, we have our kitchen. So water heater located under here. We have our stove, our refrigerator will go right here. Countertops, fairly new. Cabinets, fairly new. We'll have to put some hardware on these as well. So clean this place up, obviously, guys, of course, but I'm really happy with the windows in this house. It's got all new vinyl windows throughout the entire house, which is really, really nice. They open easy, they close easy, they lock easy. Aesthetically, they look really good, they look really nice. So I'm really happy about that. Now, everything in here is gonna be cleaned up and taken care of and brought up to Section 8 standards. Come in here, guys, and there's your first bedroom. Small but nice. This entire house needs paint touch-ups. It's really dirty. So we'll come in here and just take care of all this. It needs, there's a laundry list of things that this house needs. It needs electrical work. It needs everything on the Section 8 inspection list. It needs the mini split taken care of. It needs locks on the doors. There's a lot of stuff that this place needs. There's broken glass. There's some light plumbing issues that need to be done. The tub needs to be taken care of. It's just, it's just a little dirty. But with that being said, the size of this place is really good. And for a first house, it's perfect. We have a second bedroom right here. We have a third bedroom right next door. Size-wise, this is what a lot of people are looking for. And especially with Section 8 tenants, we want to put people in units who have, of course, vouchers for higher bedrooms. And with the higher bedrooms comes the higher rent. But at the same time, you guys hear me talk about it all the time, we want to provide a nice place to live. The nice thing about this house is it's got really good bones. Exterior is in really good shape. The interior is in really good shape. It just needs some light touch-up stuff, right? I mean, we need some drywall work. It needs paint touch-ups throughout the entire place. There's just small items, and when you have houses, guys, and they sit vacant and they're beat up by prior tenants, that's what happens. So nothing out of the ordinary, but just normal things that we run into all the time. And as you can see, all the windows, fairly new, very easily operable. They all lock, very clean, very simple. You guys know the issues I've had with windows on the channel, right? So everything here is really smooth and just operates, it works. It's a very quiet neighborhood. We're on a very quiet street. We met some of the neighbors when we pulled up, so everything here looks good. I'm really, really happy for Rob. Rob is an out-of-state investor. This is his first Section 8 rental, and it's been a breeze. It's been a breeze. I'm not gonna jinx you, Rob, but everything's easy. He's trusting his team. It's out of state, and he is relying on people who are specialists in Section 8 and specialists working with out-of-state investors to help him be successful. So I'm really, really excited for you, Rob. If you guys want to get into property like this that otherwise you'd never be able to get into the description, send me an email, we'll get you started.